Before we continue with the Rust development series, I want to help you create some learning strategies for Rust development or any other computer language, or really any endeavor for that matter. This series and my channel in general is meant to teach working adults and young people outside the realm of traditional academia the art of computer science and software engineering. And it is an art form. I'll explain that later as we go along. I want to provide you with the training at minimal expense and reasonable time expenditure. We need to have a multi-pronged strategy, including YouTube channels like this one, where the instructor is teaching you for free. But be careful of channels that tries to get you to sign up for their paid services outside of YouTube. I think it is very reasonable for instructors to ask you to subscribe to their channel or click the like icon, that is if you like the video, or donate if you wish, okay? Only if you want to. But I think you should avoid YouTube channels that bait you into paying for something outside of YouTube. For example, they bait you on YouTube, but then get you to buy their Udemy course or courses outside of YouTube that isn't free. YouTube and video learning should not be your only source of learning, however. You need to read the official documentation and guide, including their GitHub repos, and then practice, practice, practice. Repetition is the mother of all learning. Select specific fundamental concepts that you want to learn during each session and work on that. Keep your world small. Rust and other software development languages are immense. They have a huge ecosystem because they can be used for many different paradigms. Therefore, it is very easy to get overwhelmed when learning a programming language. That is why I say keep your world small. You should also alternate between instructional videos, reading, practice, and personal projects. Start out with very simple personal projects. If you read the Rust documentation here, they'll walk you through several simple projects. All right, I hope that was helpful for you guys. This will probably be the last video in the 1.x series. In the 2.x series, we will most likely start out by making a Rust simple calculator to be consumed inside of the console, something like this. Okay? All right, good luck to you. See you soon. Bye-bye.